Anna was a housewife and mother for a few years now. Now she wants to go back to the world of work. Peter is a fitter in production. He heard that a new department for future-oriented electric drives is being set up. He wants to go there. Further training would bring Anna and Peter closer to their dream of a new job. And this could even be paid for by the Hagen Job Center. And it works like this. Peter and Anna find further training courses at KursNet that are of interest to them. You can find out more about the seminars at the Job Future Advice Center. In both cases, the seminars complement your previous professional career well. Anna and Peter can be explained exactly what they have to do. Anna has to go to the Job Center first. She describes her career aspiration to the recruiter and suggests the idea of further training. In order for the employment agency to pay for the further training, it must meet certain requirements, which are checked and finally decided by the employment agency. And indeed, Anna fulfills all the requirements and the employment agency issues her an education voucher. Peter tells his boss that he wants to move to the new department. To do this, he needs further training, which he would like to attend. His boss agrees and turns to the employment agency's employer service. Here too, the employment agency checks whether Peter meets the requirements for funding, and he does. He also receives the education voucher from the Job Center. Anna and Peter can now submit the education voucher to an education provider of their choice and take part in their training. They are thus a little closer to the new jobs.